In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add friends here in Delta Force on your mobile device. Before we do dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're trying to add friends here in Delta Force Mobile, don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how you can step by step. First things first, what you're going to want to do is obviously load into Delta Force on your mobile device, and once you do so, go ahead and click on social up in the top right corner. This is not directly in the top right corner, but it's close enough. It's actually the third option on there. So select social, and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. From here, what you're going to want to do is just make sure that you're on this little friends tab right here. And if you select add, it's going to pull up a page that looks something like this, where you'll be able to type in your friend's name here in the search bar. For example, if I type in just BOZ, that's actually my main account on here, and then hit confirm just like so, it's going to pull up my main account that's on my PlayStation, where I just have to hit this little icon right on the full right just to send them a friend request, and then they'll have to accept that friend request on their end. But once doing so, they'll pop up on your friends list where you'll be able to invite them to play with you. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.